Since I'm in flow, I wanted to cover up this theory before I start the pirate one. So what? So before this, I'll just get to the why part of it, and then I'll get to all this. So why visual thinking and it's docking. Now, so many ways are there. Okay, I can't make a tree for that. Like you have sketch noting. Okay, you have graphic felicitation. You have simplified illustration, visual thinking. So many ways are there. This is docking. You have so many methods of it. Okay, brainstorming, game storming. So let me get to the why first. Why this and how this came to being. Why I am attracted to this. So being this kind of person is what I cannot say, which I came to know just a month ago. Just 1 second, and everything started making sense. So being this, after a certain age in school, I stopped understanding things like other people. All people started going up, but I suddenly felt I'm not able to. Okay, putting the same amount of efforts. This was not seen by teachers. And I'm telling it in a very fast way because currently that doesn't matter much. Maybe when someone interviews or I don't know, that time it could matter when these things make sense. So yeah, these people were able to go high and super fast, and I was just still very very slow. Teachers started doubting me because while this was going on, because of my other ND aspects, I was performing excellently well in some other areas which are generally treated as non-academic in our current education system. Okay, so teachers connected this and this together and told that I was a bad person, not cared about my future and parents, which all just not affected full ruckus. But this all actually made me get aware to find a way to figure out. So what I started doing, I started trying to understand, and even not this normally also being a creative inventor, trying to look at possibilities, trying to research, observe. Like this is what I like more than any social interaction or talking about any stuff. So yeah, so I started silently referring to online stuff, okay, and start coming to like how they learn. And before doing even this, no, what I started doing is in class I was suddenly not able to understand what's going on, not able to retain. When he says A, I remember A. When I'm trying to still think about it, my mind is getting full wild around it. He tells of B and C and D, and I don't know these. Suppose if I get to C also, I forget what's B and A. My mind is functioning totally differently. I'm not so slow and all. It's just different, which that mass education system way just didn't suit me. All this led to a lot of stress, pain, everything, but that's not important right now. If like since if people see it just for namesake, like my body got affected, my mental health got affected very much. The stress reached my skin, my mouth inner lining, like so many things I got which doctors couldn't explain, but when I researched, I got to know the meanings. Okay, so getting back to the why. So what I started doing is okay. So what am I thinking here when I'm thinking of A? Where does my mind go? Realize it goes to pictures, it goes to connections. So then why not try to show them? Now if you try to write all of that, you're again gone case. Till you write the first sentence, it you would go up to an E or an F. And here I mean sentences, okay, not concepts. Sometimes in sentences became tough. I could not remember even one word being talked. I was in so much of stress and self-doubt and wonder what's really happening. It doesn't happen. I could confidently say I couldn't remember even one word what was talked because I don't know what happened. Now also it sounds so unexplainable. Like when I say about it, so surreal. How can you can say not one word? It sounds exaggerated statement, but it was it was then the truth. Yeah, so rather this part doesn't fit. I realized sometimes in fifth standard, like when I had long English essays to type, I used to add some icons. For example, first one which I remember I added, which I clearly remember is I tried to show okay, how we made catapult with a hand. Okay, so rather than writing big description, since we had word limit, I just used the same a doodle in while writing between the English lines. Just drew it and continued. That English mom spotted and I got good response for it. Maybe not the marks or a grace marks. Once grace marks also came to me because every thing I was writing in social, I had an extra point which I studied on my own somewhere. I learned because of observation without trying to focus much. So yeah, getting back, yeah, so I started doing the same thing. What I started doing is, rather than text, I started trying to vision what the teacher was telling, putting that and putting what's there in my head. Also, this required a mix of visual and verbal. Okay, but just and it suddenly started making sense. At least I was able to stay in flow and not feel tension. Just feel okay, things I'm understanding. But what is happening is not always the information was meant to be visual. For example, accounts, it's full of numbers and logics. Now you have to do a heavy visual conversion which takes mental processing and time. When you convert and create the visual content of it, to memorize it, to access this back, it takes practice and repetition, right? Which not always I had time. So my marks never went so high, but it was at least better, and I knew it's taking me somewhere. It's much better than that nightmare of not understanding a thing and just getting stressed. And I used to take 1 or 2 hours off classes, just all leave school, and music used to be always my hero. So I used to just sit and play the harmonica that I liked, and so good days. Like the sweeper used to come and used to keep telling me in Telugu that you play very well, and I used to enjoy how entire school used to reverb. So yeah, so this is how my visual stuff started. It made me survive. I could just pass, and somehow I ended up doing good. But yeah, it at least made me feel okay. You're this thing. You are trying to make sense, but it again led to a lot of self doubt. Maybe I'm imagining all this. Maybe I'm watching too many scientists and heroes movies where I'm thinking, okay, I'm some different kind of person. I'll not be able to do well, and that's why I'll be a special person, and therefore go big, grow big, and do big stuff. I started doubting myself in all this because there was no teacher to validate. Okay, now I knew something like this existed. Now some students, but although I used to admire my book, okay, so I used to get artistic sometimes. I used to get distracted also. So therefore, to kill this validation, I started thinking maybe something is there online. So searching online, I came to know such methods are there. Now, where are those methods? Oh my God, where? Yeah, I came to know there are some methods like this. Okay, they have visual thinking, they have things, and they use it in businesses, even in profession. And who created this? Someone called Mike Rody, who struggled to take notes in meeting and condense stuff. And also I came to so many in the world are doing this. It's called somewhere vision note taking, visual doodling, or something different names are given, and all started for somewhat similar reasons. And for me it was my neurodiversity, and yeah, it was my neurodiversity and the artistic aspect that the neurodiversity gave me, and the opportunities and experience. So some kind of validation was there, but somehow this was not summing up to it. I realized there's so much more to it, and this art needs to be practiced so much, and so much has to got like this thing. Eventually, in education, it helped me to pass, and it gave me a lot of praises. I still remember one English teacher, and which is actually getting true now. Freelancing and authoring, like helping, like very big person in a book illustration. And it's going super good. Like the people are so impressed. I'm enjoying the process. I'm loving it, and I just keep pushing myself. And it gets so fun and so challenging, and it teaches me also new. It helps me to stay in the trigger zone. Like for example, today's confession, I was given 3 days to finish something. I started in the last 45 minutes, even though I told I'll start in last 1.5 hours. Now people will call this you're not disciplined. You can't control your mind. What I would say is my this is how body is designed, and holistic experience is the key. What if, since you're telling your mind, okay, I'm going to just spend last like 45 minutes doing this, your mind subconscious is engrossed in trying to make sense out of it and collect this thing, and your mental power is increasing rather than you trying to sit down and getting yourself bored. Your hormones and everything is chemical processes are really improving the creative network in mind. All that could happen. So it's all base of how we think and perceive, and some certain rules, the way how they have built. Okay, so in education it helped a lot. And the teacher, as I said, there's a teacher who used to keep telling, she was very impressed with how I did and how I used to, like, she used to tell a lot of stories. So how I used to convert everything into images, cute images. And she used to be like, I'm able to go remember whatever I used to illustrate the stories are easy to illustrate, and I used to do it live. So she was like, how you're able to do it, and it was awesome. At first she was like, what the hell is he doing in my class? And some I got kicked out also trying to draw Shiva and Parvati. I was trying to draw, and I like messed up Parvati's lips and correctly that time the human managed teacher noticed and I was kicked out. So some wonderful incidents. Again, I felt somehow like some great person. Like yeah, all these people are kicked out, and I just kept believing in myself, and I'm proud of it. Yeah. So although some teachers believed, some people pushed, but it was still a mess because you're converting textual data this thing which needs time, which needs confidence, which needs so much more. You're on a different island which was not yet explored much. Okay, so it required a lot of mental power and time which not always was an option. Okay. Yeah. So finally, what I started doing is, in this process, now I realized that it was even I started putting myself as the visual guy. Okay, not in front of people's eyes, but I just remember started realizing how other people on online behave. They have so many charts stuck all over in their cupboard and rooms, and how they like the visual element. How even a stroke for them, it gives them so much excitement and so much control over what they're drawing. Rather, artists finish off on complex drawing so easily, but they simple doodles they make it so artistic. They draw it with so much of love and passion and control and all of that. 1 minute. So that I started like whatever I had in mind to organize my life, I started using boards, kept optimizing, and this is a never-ending process. These kept getting modified. We'll come up with new ways and all of it. So same way here also, I started documenting my life visually and even diaries about my life personally along with other notes. I started doing them visually. Now since now I'm getting to my official part where I'm really like an artist and going to my strong points where I can really do well. That's when that's when this really started helping me because now I'm on my strong zone and I know what all I'm not good at and what to avoid, which way is not the right way for me. So uh, let me catch up. My head is getting heated up because it's full speed and this sensation used to happen in classroom and I'm full speed writing on whiteboard, covering it fully with all information that's getting generated. This used to happen a lot when I took a big ivory sheet and I wrote who's what is what, and all connections, and it just filled the full sheet and I was writing so small with ball pen. So you had a big mind map covering the entire ivory sheet. So these things actually prove me where you need to believe in yourself before anyone else. No one is going to read all this. You're in a zone which is where only artists and explorers can seek, and solitude is needed and therefore you will get it, no matter how much you try to avoid and blah blah. Yeah, so mm, started doing different stuff. No visual, this thing really helped. In the middle, I stopped it because I was feeling like I'm getting so distracted. I'm not able to understand and focus really on what I really want. All this music is not too, yeah, it's not too much. Yeah, so, but again, after that, I felt like I'm escaping a big chunk. So, what I did here, shed all those extra responsibilities which I was getting stuck, thinking, okay, all visual people do this, so therefore I also need to do it. And I started just picking up what I really needed. And I realized, yeah, I was trying to pick up their style and all. I was not that kind of person to show visual notes and impress people. That's my illustration zone, which I've gone to now, but this was not. I was a wild person. My notes are my notes, and I had to be messy and like this. I need to be. This was how visually it's helping me. This is also visual docking also in a way. So because main thing is explanation, right? If I explain now well, I can document it later well, very well based on me. And let's prepare it for myself. And when you really feel that some certain information needs to be stuck, you stick it and you use it, no matter how what people think. What I'm still get trying to get as authentic self as possible. So now, no, what happened is now when you do this now one thing what happens your brain no it really was a big transformation change which I call the visual effect because so much of a visual processing lies in so much of brain is meant for that, but we know we don't, our system is not designed in a way because it's so like perceptive, like every person observes the same thing in a different way. So visual training was given these in education schools or mass production systems. So once when this part aligns now your brain no, it gets very rational and it gets very wild in making patterns and understanding stuff and connecting new things and breaking stuff and coming up with simple visuals and solutions to understand the fundamentals of it. So this effect is so good, really. I would call it as a visual effect. Okay, so this started happening, and this to enhance it and based on these practices, I started putting up on boards also more. I started like now I'm realizing when this pattern part increases, no, uh, you start coming out with new theories and ways and methods which are left unexplored by many, and it makes you think beyond your age, make connections beyond your age, and that wisdom it makes you get beyond it. at another PS you can get, because everything using the visual power also, which we are not trained to. So it comes up with new theories. Now these to be practiced and explained, and I realized something called visual docking. Docking, okay. Visual docking is so I realized to be able to practice them to really get better, which came because of the pattern thinking of visual thinking. As I'm doing it, I need to put an image to remind me of it. I need to basically that's only visual docking. You dock it so that it just helps you. For example, if I have to do something creative, okay, explore FL Studio per se. I put a child's image, I put a pirate's image, I put a food image, and I put one more theory was there, X ship image. Okay, child, food, pirate, and some relationship image. Put these four. These just anywhere I'm feeling confused, and you just can look at it and entire thing rushes up my mind because I've explained here. I explained in a very speed way without trying to slow down, but that's me. That's how fast my mind works, and that's how I like it. It's a fear, FOMO of who cannot miss out. So yeah, how various ways it has helped, and this one of them is really like now when I properly be aware. Before I was not aware and I didn't like it, but now I'm aware and I'm constantly trying to make it to a perfectionist level, which is wild to me. And now illustrate for books, which is slowly turning into a very good career, and which I'm sure will help me a lot. And I think this is a very good way to start right now for me. Yeah. So it started manifesting in many ways. Now to explain here, visual docking to experiment the theories. Now slowly it's again getting back, and I'm trying to really forgive myself, be wild where I want, the way I like, not trying to share every small way the how people like it neat and clean. No, that's not me. Rather, if I'm trying to earn from it or it's something giving me worth, then go for it. So yeah, for now I'll just end visual docking with this. Now next theory comes as pirate, which is very very good.